So she's quite happy because her
So being now, put the seed at this.
Look at yourself from within.
Hi everybody, welcome to yet another day in my life. So we are going now to get sari for mama. Tell me, what is it?
I want a sari with ruby color, ruby in the sense magenta and pink mix with gold border
Huh.
and nice pallu.
Oh,
Gold pallu.
okay, let's see if we get it. Look at mama, she's already reached there. So excited. No, before me only you've crossed the road.
And the piano.
She's quite happy because her husband has got her a beautiful sari that she likes. Let's see how it looks. No,
But Mama
Sure.
really looks nice, no? After
show me the color of the sari.
Colours
Oh, they
are
have stapled it, is it? Okay, maybe on the event day we'll show it to you.
Okay, now
What happened? Sari.
only if you buy shoulder and leg or something.
So now we decided to come to a coffee place. It's so pretty. I really like the ambience. Check out their Christmas tree. No, no. Yeah. Walnut cake. We need to bill it right away. Yeah, okay. One walnut cake for now. We'll tell you after some time. I really like this ambience, so I wanted to just come after shopping, wanted a break, wanted to eat something. That's the reason we are here, and it's really giving me the Christmas feels. Papa, you're not ordering anything, is it?
I will have affogato.
What's that?
I don't know, it's written here.
Podeli? We're having our own little Christmas carol party here. Mom, Dad, me and Soumya.
Just know where I'm talking.
We are okay, we are outside. Thank you, dear. Thank you.
Is there milk in this?
Yes. Ice cafe mocha.
Okay. Yeah, you can keep it here. I want to show the where's this? So all four of you hold your hands, make a circle. आप भी हाथ पकड़ लो, सर्कल बना लो मेरे अराउंड. हाँ, ठीक है. मैं as a holistic well-being skills educator, I believe joy and kindness have the power to transform not only our lives but the lives of those around us. During this visit to the cafe with my family, I felt inspired to share a part of my mission by hosting a mini joy huddle with this amazing staff here. It was such a beautiful experience to connect with them, share moments of gratitude, and reflect on the importance of positivity in our everyday lives. My dear friends, these small yet meaningful interactions remind me why I do what I do, helping people pause, reflect, and realize that joy is found in connection and kindness. No matter where I go, I love creating spaces where people feel valued and uplifted. Let me tell you, it was truly a special gathering, and I feel so grateful for the opportunity to share this little spark of joy. Yay! Very good. You? By the way, I want to let you know that I have created a series called the 2025 Prep Series. It is a 7-day lesson series where we talk about how we can make the coming year great for each one of us. Go ahead and check this series out on my YouTube channel here. Also, you can follow me at joy.huddle on Instagram. That space is completely dedicated to the work I do. So yeah, let's grow together, let's come together and see how we can enable each other to live inspired and empowered lives. Okay, so have a great evening. God bless all of you. Okay? Yes.
The highest detox that you can do is to look within and see what kind of thoughts you are inviting. No matter what you clean outside, unless your mind is cleaned of all negative thoughts, the toxification won't disappear. So the key for that is to really look at yourself from within, especially when you are in relationship with people or when you relate to people. What kind of a comment that you make on them, critical comments, that is indicative of the negativity that is within you. It's not what is outside that is creating the negative thoughts. It is the negative thoughts that are projected and foisted upon your neighbor, whoever you come in contact with. But let me tell you, all encounters are holy. They are an opportunity for forgiveness. They are an opportunity for detoxification. Extend love always. 2025 will be full of love if you keep this in your mind.
Wow. So while I was preparing for the 2025 series, my dad said he wants to add something to this conversation, and wasn't that really beautiful? Let's all focus on what he just said and let's make it a great year ahead.
Yesterday is gone, you cannot repair. Tomorrow yet to come, you don't know. If you want a brightest tomorrow, so be in now. Put the seed at this moment. Live for today. Now, and now. That is what gives you happiness, peace and unconditional love for yourself and to the world. Love you.
Oh, thank you. So nothing is incomplete if mom doesn't add to what dad says, and here you go, another dose of joy, another dose of profound wisdom. Let us all follow it together. Bye bye.